At 11, FEMA is conducting a national emergency alert test this afternoon at about 1:20 in the afternoon. This is the test for the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, also known as IPAWS. In 2015, legislation passed that requires FEMA to conduct nationwide tests of IPAWS at least once every 3 years. The last national test was in 2021. Local emergency management departments want to make sure that people are prepared for the real thing.
That alert will be received by all phones. It's what's considered a presidential or nationwide alert, and that's really to validate that the federal government maintains that capability to effectively communicate.
Now, for the mobile phone alerts, the message will come with vibrations and a tone. We're not able to share that with you for laws, and officials say that it's important that you don't silence it so you know what it would be like in the event of an actual emergency. FEMA also points out the national test does not collect any phone data and is simply designed to evaluate the effectiveness of the system that's sending those emergency messages. Examples of emergencies that might cause an alert like this to go out would be massive natural gas leaks, active shooters, bomb threats, or natural disasters.